For the Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Welcome back, guys.
Dave, it's a pleasure to be here with you as always.
Always.
Let me tell you, this guy just had a huge win in court last week.
We did all right.
Congratulations, Ed. Yeah. That's why the awards keep piling up.
That's why it's my. You said awards, and I thought about
There you go.
I don't even know how you guys get out of the door of that office. I really don't.
Just a couple of hardworking guys looking for a hot meal.
Aren't we all? All right, here's the question tonight, and this is from Mike in Williamsport. My daughter is 16 years old. She has a learning disability and an IEP at her old school. Her new school is refusing to honor the IEP. Is this legal? So I guess this boils down to, are IEPs transferable?
They are. They absolutely are. So what happens is once you have an IEP put in place, then that IEP, it's not necessarily following the school, it's following the student. So any school that student is going to go to, that IEP is it's put in place for the benefit of that particular student's learning disability. So the school cannot refuse to honor that IEP. Now, there may be some different accommodations that might need to be made depending on what the resources in that school are, but they cannot refuse to honor that that IEP.
And in these cases, when if your child is not, if they're not honoring it, we always tell the parents to be a very strong advocate. Reach out to the school, reach out to the teachers, and if not, you go to the school board, the superintendent, do what you have to do. And if all else fails, you got to pick up the phone and call a lawyer that specializes in this type of work, because it is very specialized.
And one of the lessons here is for the parents, it sounds like, to be vocal, get involved with what's going on at school.
And most parents are. Most parents are very involved with their kids, and ones with learning disabilities are really plugged into what's going on with their kids. But don't be scared to advocate. Don't be scared to go down there and ruffle a few feathers to do what you need to do for your kid, politely.
And at the end of the day, hire a lawyer to protect your son or daughter's legal rights to an education, and an IEP is that avenue, and they cannot continue to do this to your kid.
Makes a lot of sense. If our viewers want to talk to you, how can they do that?
Give us a call, 570-714-HURT. You can see us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Or if you have a question about education law, put it on our Facebook page. We'll do our best to answer it on an upcoming segment.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, have a good night.
Take care.
Don't forget, the Law and You hotline is always open, so is PAHomepage.com.